Kelly, girl.
He don't pay his bets.
Who we talking about?
Kai Crybaby.
Give your 100% true feelings.
My true feelings about Kai Kelly is he got his ass hustled like a bitch on the street in Wyoming. Knows he did. Whole team told him he owed me the money. Didn't want to pay it, never did pay it. And I told him that before it was over with, he was going to want to pay me 10 grand to shut me up before he ever paid me that $1,000 back. I'm going to get $100,000 worth of publicity out of that motherfucker before it's over.
Are you mad?
Nope. Oh. I'm the happiest sumbitch on the planet right now. Because I'm going to get all kind of t-shirt sales out of that bitch not paying me that $1,000 bet.
You gonna make a milkman with Kai sliding down the side of it?
It's gonna look like a guy sitting on the toilet shitting Kai out the bottom side, and that's when he's gonna wish he'd have come out that easy with that $1,000.
Alrighty, thank you.
Yep. Please post that all over the internet.
Sherrybeth, it's the next day. How do you feel about Kai Kelly? Did he give you a call last night and straighten stuff out with you, or?
He not gonna call me. Kai not gonna call me. Kai don't want no part of those conversations. I will out 60 foot his mouth all day long. He can't out talk me. He can't out talk me. He might out 60 foot me, but hell, I don't even drive a car. But he can't out talk me, and he knows he owes me money. And I said it, and I'll say it again, and I'll say it till the end of time. He's going to wish he had gave me the money on the line that he bet me and punked out on, because I'll get $100,000 worth of publicity out of him before I shut up about it.
There you go. From the lady herself.
That's right. Hey up, Kai, we'll be done with this shit.
There you go.